Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate banana bread. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter and your granulated sugar and beat the two together over a medium-high speed until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating while in between each addition. Being careful not to scramble the mixture if you add them all in at the same time. Once your eggs are fully incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in your vanilla extract and just mix it in until fully combined. Then add in your bananas and again mix just until they are fully combined. You don't want too big a piece, you just want a mixture of small and big chunks. Once that's happened, you can then give your bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps. So into your sieve you'll want to add your cocoa powder, plain flour and baking powder, and just with any of the lumps that are left over, just press them through or discard them. Then mix all of your dry ingredients in over a medium-low speed, working up to a medium-high speed, just until the mixture is fully combined. You don't want to overmix the mixture, otherwise that will make the batter tough and it will make the end result of the cake very tough textured, which isn't pleasant. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Grab yourself a loaf, tin or pan which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then add in your cake batter and level it out as best you can. Sprinkle over some milk chocolate chips and then place into your preheated oven and bake it off. All of that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below. Then here is the final result. It's been baked and it's been ready to cool fully. Remove from the loaf pan and remove the parchment paper, and then you can slice it up as thick or as thin as you would like. I went with quite chunky pieces as this is very nice, but you don't want too much as it's a little bit rich, and if it's too rich it might ruin it. But a good slice and you're good to go. And as you can tell, it's got that typical banana bread texture, but it's just in chocolate because why not? Chocolate makes everything taste better, right? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe and links to my blog and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.